Welcome back. Indian Child Welfare Act Court. The ICWA Court is the first of its kind in New Mexico and is the result of efforts by CYFD to apply the law to protect Indian children and their families. The court strives to honor and comply with the spirit of the law that protects Indian families in a supportive and welcoming environment. We are joined this morning by Lindsay Fuchs and Megan Gonzalez from the District Court of Bernalillo County to tell us a little bit more. And ladies, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome. Thank you so much for being here this morning. Now, tell us, what is ICWA Court?
So ICWA Court is a specialized court within our children's court that serves Indian children and their families and their tribes, and aims to ensure that they are benefiting from the full protection of the Indian Child Welfare Act and New Mexico's Indian Family Protection Act, as well as our Children's Code. And so it is comprised of multiple partners. It is led by presiding Children's Court Judge Catherine Begay. I support her in that. Megan is our ICWA Court Program Manager, and we have an administrative assistant. We also work with CYFD. They have a designated internal ICWA unit. The Office of Family Representation and Advocacy and our Administrative Office of the Courts have specially trained attorneys that represent the parents and children, and most importantly, our tribal partners who actively engage at every level. And it has regular hearings as well as staffings and trainings.
What exactly does ICWA Court do that a regular court doesn't?
So we actually have an ICWA Court docket designated for our families. Right now we have, I believe, 21 families in ICWA Court right now that is dedicated to hearing those cases. And then we also, as Special Master Fuchs mentioned, we have staffings and trainings, and we invite all of our tribal partners, our CYFD team, and our specialized attorneys to attend. I think one of the good things about ICWA Court is that we have an extended amount of time for this docket. We dedicate a lot of time to make sure that we are hearing our tribal partners in our hearings, making sure we're listening to our parents and hearing anything that that they need in a level of support or to do something different with our families.
Now, you mentioned that presiding Judge Begay is Native. Why is that important when it comes to ICWA Court?
Well, I would say that it is and isn't important. So the law is the law, and so whoever the judge is applying the Indian Child Welfare Act or IFPA across the state of New Mexico has the same law to apply. However, having a judge that reflects the community that she serves benefits everybody.
Why is this particular court so important here in the state of New Mexico?
I would say that it is so important because we have a high Native population in New Mexico. I would also point out that I think our lawmakers find it very important because they passed the Indian Family Protection Act in 2022. And I just think that we have a unique and special makeup of families and partners that are really well set to effectuate the goals of this court.
If our viewers want to find out more about ICWA Court, where can they go? Where can they do that?
We actually have an ICWA Court webpage on our nmcourts.gov website.
Perfect. And you guys can also go to our website that's always on krqe.com. That'll have a full recap of this interview and everything else that you need to know about ICWA Court. Stay with us. We have more coming up after the break.